Hi everybody, this is our special Mother's Day art video. We are making a rainbow. We're going to start with our lightest color on the inside, and then we will have our darkest color on the outside. If you don't have any watercolor paints, don't worry, you can still do this project with crayons or colored pencils. If your watercolor paint doesn't look too bright, you can go over it a second time so the colors will be even brighter. That's what I'm doing right here. Now I'm going to draw a little line that's going all the way across. This will be some grassy area. And my paper is still a little damp, so drawing with this marker is not too good because I may rip my paper. I'm going to go get some black paint. After you fill in that whole area black, now you can just use your brush and make little bumps so it'll look like grass. This is a silhouette painting where we can't see the details of what we're painting. It's just a dark outline and it's all filled in with black. Right here, I'm going to make a mom, and I'm going to have her hunched over a little bit. It will look like she's picking up something that somebody's giving her. I'm making this mom have long hair, but it will be great if you can try to draw the type of style that your mom wears her hair in. Now the easy part, just fill in everything with black. It's time to paint some kids. So I'm going to paint the little hand coming up, and I'm going to paint the little dress, and this will be the mom's daughter. Next, I'm going to paint her brother. So if your mom has one kid and it's a girl, just draw one girl. If your mom has like 4 kids or 5 kids, try to include them all. And let's paint what they're trying to give their mom. They're holding a branch that has little tiny cherry blossoms on it for a Mother's Day gift. Now I have some white paint, and I'm going to put little spots of white and red for the flowers. Now I'm all done, but I'm going to add on some more brothers and sisters. So this mom here had 2 kids, and now let's see what we can do if this mom had 4 kids. So I'm going to draw a baby sitting on the grass, just a little outline, and then I'm going to fill it in all black. Next, I'm going to draw a baby sister, and she has some cute little ponytails on top of her head. And now the painting is all done. I hope your mom will really like this picture, and I hope you liked how yours came out. Thanks for watching.